What's good, YouTube? In this video we'll be taking a look at all of the features and settings in the Pro mode on the photo app and camera app for the S22 Ultra. This is strictly for the S22 Ultra, as you have some access to some features on the S22 Ultra with the extra camera lens that you don't have on the other S22 series of phones. If you like this kind of content, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So Pro mode on the S22 Ultra gives you access to a few more settings and features that really make it more like a traditional camera. It also allows you to change a few things that you would normally have to change in post-processing, particularly if you're looking for a certain kind of look or shot in your images. So if you take a look here, if we switch between photo mode and Pro mode on the camera app, you'll notice that the settings you have available at the top bar and also the middle bar changes a little bit. In photo mode, you don't have access to certain customizations that you do have in Pro mode, and we'll take a look at them right here. So if you scroll through the middle bar on Pro mode here, you can see that you actually have direct access to ISO, shutter speed, what kind of focus, and also white balance. Here you can see that you can switch the ISO of your image all the way down to 50 up to 3200 manually. You can also adjust the shutter speed of the shutter on the S22 Ultra as well, using the same horizontal slider. Here you can also adjust if the focus is auto or manual, which allows you to have a little bit more freedom in terms of what your background, how focused your background is. And then finally you have white balance, where you can change how cool or how warm the image is with this horizontal slider as well. So in the middle slider is really useful if you're looking for a certain look in terms of white balance, or if you're looking to increase the ISO at lower light scenarios. Moving up to the top menu here, there's a few options that you don't actually have available to you in photo mode, and you have to enable Pro mode in order to access them. If you hit this top right icon here, you'll have access to things like saturation, contrast, highlights, shadows, and tint. And you can use the horizontal slider to customize these in Pro mode on the S22 Ultra. Next to that button, you have the option to change from spot metering to center weighted metering to matrix metering. And finally, of course, at the bottom here, these are the same settings that you have in terms of changing which lens you're using on the S22 Ultra, with the S22 Ultra having, of course, that super telephoto that isn't available on other models. So there you have it, everyone. Just a quick rundown of some of the extra features that you have available to you on the Pro mode on the S22 Ultra's camera app. If you like this kind of content or found this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.